everyone, I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube. And today is a little different. You might have seen my FabFitFun unboxings, and I've raved in there about how I love FabFitFun and how no one is talking about the deals. Everyone just talks about what you get in the box, and yeah, that's a deal, but if you subscribe to the boxes, you get access to all these other insane deals, including their edit sale. Now, I think you have to be a select member, so you pay a little more to be an edit or to get access to the edit sale, but it also means you get to choose what goes in your boxes. I found it totally worth it. You know what? You don't pay more, you pay all at once for the year. So they just had an edit sale where they put all these items on insane discount. And the last edit sale, if you got anything, it just got added with your add-ons to your FabFitFun, I think. This one came separate. So I wanted to show you what I got so that you can see, and it's just a couple things, but I wanted you to see like what some of those other amazing FabFitFun deals are. Please note from my number of subscribers, this is not sponsored. I just truly am like a huge FabFitFun lover. Like, I didn't understand why would I do this thing where everyone has already shown me what I'll get, because every, you know, reality star has already done a video and shown me what I'm getting in my box. So why is it that worth it? But no one is talking about the deals, and the deals to me are worth it. So what happens is they will put up, they'll send you an email and put up a day where you can go on and select everything you want, and they already have your credit card, so they just charge you and send it out on a certain day. They say you have until this day to select items, and by this day, whatever's in your cart, we will charge you for. So it's kind of nice because you can go back and forth and play with your cart. And because FabFitFun is like makeup, skincare, healthcare, and lifestyle, there's like a wide range of items. So now that I've said all that, let me tell you some of the things I got. I just got a couple of things, but I'm pretty darn excited. One, so I have heard a lot of research about getting glasses that clear out blue light. The blue light from our phones apparently is one of the things that can keep us up at night. And as someone with terrible insomnia, I was like, I should get blue light glasses, but they all seem expensive. These glasses, they're all smudgy. Oh, they're like really smudgy. These are blue light glasses that are Wayfarers that were on FabFitFun for like on the edit sale for I want to say $15, maybe less. They are from Nectar. They're nectarsunglasses.com. And I just went, okay, great. Like, I just need blue light blocking glasses. I don't even care. I mean, these are cute if you didn't see the ring light in it. I don't even care about what they look like because I'm wearing them at home with my phone at night. But at least they were such a good deal. And that was such like a fun add-on that I wasn't expecting to buy. And that's why I kind of like this. You end up buying things that you probably would have bought if the cost wasn't so crazy before, or things you've just been, it's like, oh, that seems interesting to try, and it's at a good enough price point that it's like, okay, yeah, I can try it now. This I have not tried yet, but I've heard about this, so much about this, and it was on the sale. This is the Pre-Heals. One quick spray prevents blisters. So it's an aerosol spray that molds the unique shape of your foot, quickly dries on the skin, forming a strong, flexible coating. Invisible anti-friction barrier sits between you and your feet. So it is supposed to keep your feet from getting blisters. So that's kind of interesting, and I like that because the backs of my ankle, like where that bone is, they are scarred to death from blisters. I can't find words today. They're scarred to death from blisters. So I wanted to try that. Okay, then, I don't know what's going on with my skin, but it has been freaking out and I've needed more spot treatments. And I have seen these little Blemish Patches before. I know there's a brand that's at Sephora, but there's a bunch of different ones out there. And these were in the sale, and they're Mighty Patch, and I just looked it up, and this is $13 at Anthropologie. I think I got it for $5 or $6 during the sale, and it's 36 patches, and you just take off, there's little discs on there if you can see. You just peel it off and put it on a blemish and just leave it for, hold on, it says on here, minimum of 6 hours, and it'll tell you when to take it off. It says turn off after it turns white. So I've put these on at night. I've even put them on cystic ones, and you know, nothing is gonna fully get rid of cystic acne, like no topical treatment is gonna fully get rid of cystic acne, but it has helped it. It has helped kind of like quicken the process. So I really enjoyed these. Okay. If you've watched my videos, you know I discovered I like Purlisse BB cream, but it's shockingly expensive. I was introduced to the fact that Purlisse is super expensive stuff. And they had all these Purlisse sheet masks. I didn't know Purlisse made sheet masks. So these are the brightening sheet masks with green tea and vitamin C, moisturizing and clarifying. I have not tried them yet, but I think I got this whole set for $10. And it's 6 masks, so that's a good deal. So this is what they look like. I'll try it out. I'll let you know. I'll try and put it on my Insta stories. So if you don't follow me, it's Cass Thompson Beauty on Instagram. So go follow me over there. But I was super excited to treat myself to this. And then the last thing, because this is amazing. I have wanted a slip eye mask forever because it's, you know, the silk eye mask, so it's supposed to help, you know, keep your eyes from moving and getting wrinkles, blah, blah, blah. But they're so expensive. These masks are so expensive. Even at Create and Cultivate, they had a booth, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're going to be on deep discount or something. They weren't. But at this sale, you could get slip eye mask for $18. This is normally $35 to $50 depending on where you're buying. Now granted, I would never have chosen gold, so didn't get to choose my color, but great silk eye mask. Super happy about this, so I was so excited to get it. So that is everything I got, but I just wanted you to see like those price differences. I mean, $35 to $50, bought it for $18. $10 for 6 sheet masks from a really great company. These were, I think, $5 or $6, normally $13. So huge discounts. I will leave my FabFitFun code in the description box below. So if this has sold you and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta do FabFitFun, I will leave my code. It just gives me a little % off, and I mean like a couple bucks off my next box, and I think it gives you a little bit too. So if you could use that, that'd be great. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming out. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.